Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. Let me add them to home so it will be much easier for me. And in the settings we have to scroll and then find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Here we've got the featured ones. Create with AI, so you can make your own wallpaper. Here we've got pre-installed options, and you can tap on get more wallpapers and enter the specific section. So let me choose maybe this one. Simply tap on it, and then you can choose whether you want to set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. And now if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.